Hello friends, we thank you for coming back to our YouTube channel. And we are going to make a video to show you a model of Redmi company Note 13 should you buy or not. In this video, we will tell you all. Stay with us, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. If we talk about the design, then we get a very beautiful mobile slim design in the design. And this is a new design of Redmi, in which you get 3 cameras on the back side. It has a Redmi logo at the bottom, and the back is very shiny. The color looks very nice with the design. And if we look at the back, we can see the pulsating. And if we look at the side, we find the side fingerprint along with a volume down button. And looking at the bottom, we find the speaker and the 3.5 meters audio jack. C chargers is found where we can use mobile charging and data by installing it. And on the same side, we find the SIM jack, in which we can use 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card. If we talk about the display, the technology used in it is Super AMOLED, in which you will get a 1B multi-touch 6.67-inch display, which is at a resolution of 1220x at 2400 pixels. It looks like a very good usable display in which you can enjoy music. Multimedia can be enjoyed very well, and you get the punching of Gorilla Glass 5, which is very good. It is well installed by the company, and the extra features, resolution 120 Hz. You get a display refresh 1080. If we talk about the cameras, you get a triple camera setup in which you get a main lens of 200 megapixels, and with which you get wide lines, and it has a very good camera. And it also gets a 2 megapixel camera with an LED. You can record videos up to 1080, 30, and 60 fps. And you also get HDR. You get touch focus. About the front camera, you get a 16 megapixel camera. Wide lines are found, and the front camera can also record up to 1080, 30, and 60 fps video at 30 fps. If we go to the storage and processor performance of the mobile, let us first tell you about it. 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage can be seen. Along with it, you can install macro card up to 1 TB. And if we talk about the performance, the processor we see in it is quite good and quite powerful processors. It uses an octa processor, which is MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra processor in it. We get to see which the performance is quite good, and this chipset is which makes a very good call in this price budget. If we go to the storage and processor performance of the mobile, let us first tell you about it. 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage can be seen. Along with it, you can install macro card up to 1 TB. And if we talk about the performance, the processor we see in it is quite good and quite powerful processors. It uses an octa processor, which is MediaTek Helio G199 Ultra processor in it. We get to see which the performance is quite good, and this chipset is which makes a very good call in this price budget. I have given the full review up. Thanks for watching your video. If you want to take my opinion, this mobile is very good in this price budget because it has very good processor and other performance. I have used it. Have you seen the rest? What are your opinions? Let me know in the comments box. To watch a similar video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to press the bell icon. If you want to buy, click on the link in the description. We'll get it up to 10% discount.